Hey, Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is what's in the box. I have an Ulta haul because I am a ball of stress, and as one does when they are stressed, they probably stress shop. That's probably just me, but anyway, I do have to show you something that's not makeup related though. You see this? Is this not just the cutest thing? You want to see like my mood most of the time? It's this one. Purple's my favorite color, but anyway, this little thing is just like the cutest thing. I've found them all over TikTok and I was like, if I ever come across one, I am getting it. Anyway, the Ulta what's in the box situation is I picked up a few things and I'm so excited to do some videos and stuff with it. So I've mentioned on my TikTok before, I don't know if I've mentioned here, but I do use the Ordinary Serum foundation. I like it. I'm actually wearing it today. But there is a coverage foundation, high coverage foundation formula that I picked up by the Ordinary, which I needed that today because my face is a whole wreck. And then they also have a concealer. Now, I am super obsessed with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. That's like my go-to. That is my favorite one that I've tried probably ever. But I wanted to try that. I don't know if you know who Rose and Ben is, but she does stuff. She's a pretty big account on Instagram, and I do believe she's verified on TikTok too. So like, she's a big account. So if you haven't heard of her, then yeah, you should probably go check her out. She does really cool videos. Her content is amazing. But she made me, because I cannot, stress shopping be damned, I cannot make myself spend $40 on the Good Apple foundation. So she has talked about the Covergirl Olay Simply Ageless foundation, and I was like, yes, I would like to give it a try. So I'm hoping to do like a little wear test kind of thing on TikTok tomorrow. I overslept today, so I just totally put on makeup just to film this. Alright, so I also have a few things here. Oh, that's my husband's soap. We don't have to talk about that. He wanted some soap, so we got soap. But I picked up some eyelash glue, the duo kind. I use it. I just don't want to run out because as much as I don't like to use lashes sometimes, I love lashes. And on the note of lashes, let's talk about them. I picked up the Kiss Lash Couture Matte Satin. And then I noticed that there was a whole rack after I checked out that were the more dramatic ones. And I was like, if I like these, I'll go pick those up. They were buy two, get one free or something. I picked up some more of these ones. I think they're Gala or Gala. Anyway, I picked up some more of those. These were my favorites for like over a year. Probably wore them as much as I wear the Maxed Out Drama lashes. And then I picked up these Lash Couture, probably not saying that right either, Russian Volume. They looked cute, and they also reminded me of the Maxed Out Drama ones, which I did not see at the store that I went to. So I was like, I hope that they didn't get rid of them, because though I did buy about 10 pairs, I would like to buy at least 10 more before they take them away. And I desperately needed these, the Truly Little Heart patches, so that maybe I won't pick at my skin, because it is totally, I covered it really good with some concealer. So, like, it's not super noticeable, but, like, it's still, like, I need to quit picking. Those help. And the last thing that I got is a repeat offender. Picked up Cookie, the lippy sticks from ColourPop. I already have one of these, but I wanted to have another one because I don't want to run out. Even though I've just been using Juvia's Place matte lipsticks pretty much for, like, 2 weeks now. Alright, I think that's about it. Let me know what you'd like to see. I'm planning on doing a video with the things from my previous haul. I've just been quite overwhelmed. And doing a full face video is out of my comfort zone. And I'm about getting out of it, but that will need to be a little bit farther down the road. Which actually, you know what? I might just do this. I've used this, and this was like for my last one. I might use this and then like use some of the stuff from today's video in one video, but I want to have a video alone, like testing these out. Does that sound like a good idea? We cool with that? I want to thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate it. I really, really do. I'm so thankful for you taking the time to watch my videos. So on that note, I'm going to go and I'm going to go take a nap. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!